Alright y'all, we're getting ready to head out right now. We are getting packed. We decided this time to do one big bag. Oh, let me fix that. We're doing one big bag, my camera bag, and here's marshmallow stuff. But right now we're about to head out, so see y'all. Our original plan was to stay in Sonoma and go to Bodega Bay one or two of the days. But that week a big earthquake hit and there was a tsunami warning for the coast. This had me scrambling a bit to find enough activities for the whole weekend in Sonoma. Even before the tsunami warning, there was questions about why a family trip to Sonoma. So this is our room. I don't know if they upgraded us or what, but it's a pretty big, nice room. Really nice, big bathroom. The main living area with the twin or the double, what are those, like queen beds, I think? And just a lot of area.
Kids!
Yeah.
Kids rule.
Big. Nice big room. Stay right here.
What happens is your life vest brings you up. When you go under these pieces, you start to drown. Absolutely zero pushing, okay? And we always land feet first in that water. Y'all have beautiful spines and skulls, and I'd like them to stay in the same shape when you leave as they were when you got here.
Good job, Redley! Yeah, shoot. Oh man, I missed it again, dang it! Spring Lake Park was a great place to bring the kids. It was just a 15-minute drive and had a man-made lagoon along with beautiful views of the lake. The kids spent a lot of the day in the lagoon and we signed them up for the inflatable water park, which they said was a blast. We spent the afternoon there and wanted to go out on the canoes but didn't have enough time. Which one's that?
Such a flash mob. Such a flash mob. Spiteful.
All right, it is Saturday morning and I'm about to go work out. Ooh, kind of cold today. Ooh. All right, just finished working out and gonna see if the boys are ready to go.
Where's my camera?
I don't know where your camera is, dude.
I just vlogged.
Oh, it's right there, dude.
Yo.
What?
I'm trying to grab into so you can see the tomorrow. I was just vlogging.
Okay. What are we doing?
Like
Okay, so what'd you order?
I ordered the barbecue pork. I want grilled pork.
Okay.
So 2 barbecue pork.
Uh-huh.
So you will have one. I'll make it half, and then the other 2 boys will share.
Okay.
So,
Are you gonna go get your coffee?
I got taro too.
Taro. Okay.
Boba.
And some. Oh, okay. All right, so we are here at Bliss Sandwich and Boba, and we are heading to Armstrong Redwoods State Natural Reserve. So we're gonna go there for a little hike. It's supposed to be about a mile or mile and a half. And then we're gonna bring the sandwiches there and eat over there. Hopefully they have picnic tables and everything. And yeah, we're gonna hang out there and go for a hike. Should be fun. Oh. Which? I'm supposed to go this way? Yo, well, so we just finished lunch. Now we're gonna head back over to the car and head back to the hotel. After we get back to the hotel, the kids are gonna go to the pool, and then we're gonna walk around downtown a little bit. So yeah, this was super nice views. They're having a little birthday party over there, and man, this was nice. This is something different. Not always doing the same stuff is pretty cool. We saw this super big, wait, what was the tree called?
Armstrong.
Armstrong tree. That was super cool. Do you remember how tall it was?
308 feet.
308 feet.
Which is like 51 of you combined.
That's good math. So, time to head out. Mama's feet hurt. So, time to go. 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 Right you go. Then. Bruh.
Good.
Good?
Yep. Papa, I'm not adding
Take another bite. Harrison, go ahead. Taco pizza. Good? Just finished my walk, chilling at the pool. I think we're gonna go grab something to eat, some breakfast, maybe some pancakes or something. And then after that, we'll see. Probably come back here to the pool, bring the kids over here. We got a 2 p.m. late checkout, so after that, we'll see what we got going on. Probably gonna stop by Vacaville, go shopping at the outlets, and that'll be the day. Really great trip, so we had fun. Oh, they have a ton of games.
Look, Daddy. A Zool.
Ooh, duel. That's cool.
These are good. These are bad. 2 is my favorite.
Yeah.
Wanna go?
I think we're gonna grab a couple. Should be cool. Oh, don't step on my feet. What?
2 by
Rocky?
2. And you solve it.
Splendor, yeah. Yeah, I found a bunch of stuff, so we're gonna pick it up. We have a couple games that we're looking at since we always have family game night, and we're gonna, I think we have like 3 that we're kind of considering, so we're gonna probably pick up at least one of them. All right.
I don't know how to do this.
What'd you order?
I ordered pancakes, because there's no French toast. Pancakes. Yeah, pancakes. I want to mix it up. Actually, what is that? I don't know. Oh, Daddy. Daddy, who are the things, Daddy? It's the thing versus the things.
I have no idea, dude. This was a great trip. We have the Hyatt Visa card, so we received an upgraded room and late checkout. The pool was a good size and clean. I will say we ordered fries at the pool and it took forever. When it did come out, they were soggy and tasted like they just came out of the microwave. The rooms also had a chemical cleaning product smell, but that could be because we got there pretty early, so it might have just been cleaned. Like many other Hyatts, they offer s'mores at night, which we always take advantage of with our kids. Everything was centrally located to the hotel, with downtown within walking distance. We didn't visit any of the wineries, but we did check out my favorite craft beer, Russian Ripper. Although we were in wine country, there was plenty of family activities, and there were other families at the hotel. We highly recommend Spring Lake Park for outdoor activities, and if you don't mind a 30-minute drive, Armstrong Redwoods State Nature Preserve was an easy hike with many different paths and a picnic area for the whole family.